Want to make money in India? Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a side hustle, this video will show you how to start earning online and offline. Stay till the end for the best way to maximize your earnings. Freelancing is one of the best ways to earn money in India. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you work from home and get paid for skills like programming, graphic design, video editing, or content writing. If you know Python, you can develop websites or automate tasks for clients. If you're creative, you can edit videos or design logos. The earning potential can range from 10,000 to 100,000 Indian rupees per month, depending on your skill level. Creating content is another powerful way to make money. Start a blog, write about topics you love, and earn through Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. YouTube is even better. With YouTube, you can make money from ads, sponsorships, and memberships. If you enjoy teaching, gaming, or reviewing products, YouTube is a great platform. Focus on trending topics like tech, finance, or self-improvement to grow faster. A successful YouTube channel can earn anywhere from 20,000 to 500,000 Indian rupees per month. Investing is another way to earn money in India. Apps like Zerodha and Grow let you invest in stocks, mutual funds, or even crypto. But remember, invest wisely and don't expect quick profits. Learning about the stock market and making smart investments can help you earn 5,000 to 100,000 Indian rupees or more, depending on your strategy. If you know coding, why not create your own app or game? You can publish it on the Google Play Store and earn from ads or in-app purchases. Many indie developers are making good money by creating simple games and tools. The earnings depend on the number of downloads and ad revenue but can range from 10,000 to 500,000 Indian rupees per month. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn online. It means promoting products and earning commissions when someone buys through your link. Amazon, Flipkart, and Hostinger have great affiliate programs. If you're good at something, why not teach it? Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare let you sell online courses and make passive income. People are making 5,000 to 200,000 Indian rupees per month by sharing their knowledge online. So, which is the best method? The answer is, it depends on you. If you like creating, go for YouTube. If you have a skill, start freelancing. If you're into finance, invest in stocks. The key to success is to start small, be consistent, and focus on long-term growth. Which method do you want to try? Comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome tips.